The Solutex omega-3 manufacturing operation in Mallén, Spain, is one of the most advanced, sustainable-focused production plants in the lipid industry. Solutex specializes in manufacturing highly concentrated omega-3, EPA and DHA fatty acids for the nutritional, pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries. A focus on future innovation led to the expansion of Mallén factory into the first completely vertically integrated omega-3 manufacturing facility, working from initial crude oil to concentrations up to 97% EPA. Implementation of a safe sourcing program for acquiring quality raw materials from leading suppliers enables us to secure consistent supply and storage of raw materials to meet customer demand. In its 21,000 square meters, the Solutex platform contains the most advanced combination of technologies in the lipid industry. The conditioning of the raw materials is carried out in a pharmaceutical-grade equipment. Here the contaminants are removed and the requested parameters by our concentration units are warranted. Fractionation technology through molecular distillation concentrates EPA and DHA in different ratios while controlling temperature and pressure. Mallén unit is one of the most efficient of its kind. Solutex, a pioneer in the CO2 supercritical flue technology, is a specialist in separating the EPA from the DHA within omega-3 oil. CO2 in a supercritical state, utilized as a green solvent, is capable of individually isolating specific ratios of EPA and DHA, resulting in concentrations up to 97% EPA. Concentrations are available as EE, TG, and partial glycerides. Our products pass through two final steps. The first step takes place in a state-of-the-art bleaching reactor, one of the largest and most efficient in the industry. Finally, an optional deodorization technique is available through Cleantex, a purification process resulting in a more pleasant-tasting oil. Solutex supports circular economy principles like zero paper, green chemistry, energy generation, and zero waste. At Solutex, we believe being sustainable innovators is more than a statement. It's a mindset and a promise to our customers, employees, and the wider world. Sustainable innovation. Healthier lives. Solutex.